Good morning, everybody, and happy Tuesday out there. How's everybody doing out there? If you're here with me in the Discord or in the YouTube chat, go ahead and say what's up. Let's see who's with us on this beautiful Tuesday morning here. Wow, look at everybody. Oh my goodness gracious. Good morning, futures trading today. Grateful Trader, Shadow Hunter, Charmant, Astro Nerd, Sir Noodles, Marnell, Chris L, Rhett, Dave 13, Cyrus, Julius, Shaw, Driss, SW, JJ, Aladdin, Ken, Retberg, the consultant. Good morning, good morning. Hey, good morning, Way Out Trader, D-Lock. Hey, good morning, everybody. Morning, Travis, Coffee, Lunkmaster, Lara, Storm, Macau, Waleed, Julius, Tradebird, Dana, Prince, Mike, Medi, Martin, Ketty, Lenny, Eric, Ricky, Wags, Richard, J-Mac, Samuel, Marco, DV, Nelson, Carl. Hey, good morning there, Carl. Forward, Daniel, Eccentric, Shane, Denise. Good morning, SPVC, Carlton, Richard Marcello, Brett, No, Trading Lizard, good to see you, Charles, Brian, Mr. Moon, Angel, NQ Rips, Doomslayer Forever, The Sunrise Driver, Samara, James Beginner, Avi, Jordy, Trades by Nick, Franny, Pop Pops, good morning, Cryogenic, Hoop, good morning, Kofifi, Raymond, Jim and Stuff, Coach Dakota, good morning, good morning. Don't tell me we have Robo Voice. Don't tell me we have Robo Voice again. Is there? Okay. Coach Dakota's trolling in chat here. Go back to bed, Coach Dakota. Morning, Raymond. Good morning, Cyrus, Marine, Mr. Kofifi. Good morning, Hunter. Good morning. Did you say you have a discount code for Bookmap? We do. What is it? Bookmap. There we go. Go back to bed, Coach Dakota. You need to go back to bed. Probably slept for like 2-3 hours there. Yeah, the code is MC20 if you use that link. Hey, good morning there, Juan from Atlanta, Georgia. Shouldn't be trolling this early in the morning. It's not healthy for you. Come on. Oh, goodness gracious. So, we don't, there's our total net profit on the day. Don't have any trades on. Been taking it easy this morning. Been relaxing. Good morning, Panchua. Nathan, good morning from Nashville. Good morning, good morning. What is that timer in your screen in 30 seconds? That is a bar timer, and since this is a 30-second chart, it's going to count down from 30 seconds for each bar closure here. Right now, we are bouncing off this hourly low for now. I'd really like to see the price action getting above this dotted line right here and then auctioning above our clubhouse level of 41 3/4. So I'd like to see the price action above 35.50. If we get above 35.50, probably be fixing a put on a long here and then looking for the S&Ps to start meandering up towards 5,100. By the way, folks, do me a favor here. Go ahead and hit that lucky like button. We get to 500 likes, we'll do a poll. We get to 900 likes, we do a giveaway. But the thing is that we're going to be having a giveaway extravaganza tomorrow as long as we hit 10,000 subs here on the YouTube channel. We are like 20, 30 people away from that. So if you haven't subscribed yet, if you're new here, it's free to subscribe. You just click that button right below. Make sure you're subscribed to the stream. No NQ levels in the morning memo today. Why did that not post? Well, let me get those for you. Good looking. Good looking out there. I don't know why those didn't post, but here they are. There we have it. Hey, good morning, So. Good to see you. Good looking out there. Good morning, Glory, Mr. Ratatatatatatatata. Good morning. I like your name a lot. But yeah, when we get to 500 likes, we will do a poll in here. We will do a poll. And when we get to 10,000 subs, we're going to be giving away a lot of stuff. And I think that's going to be tomorrow's stream. So for Wednesday's stream, we're going to be able to give away quite a bit. We're going to be giving away probably 2 Top Step combines. And that's any kind of platform that you want to trade on. And then as well, in addition to that, we're going to be giving away a free year of Clubhouse as long as we are at 10,000 subs on the channel by then. So I appreciate you folks coming in here, smashing that like button and making sure that you are subscribed to the stream. So again, what I'm looking for here, I mean, ideally, I'd like to see a drawdown to this 18 level. If we get a drawdown to 18, then we can try a bounce trade off of 18, looking for that encroachment of a 35. Right now, we're having every single tech stock is just rolling over tremendously here. Tesla, Nvidia, Amazon, Google, Microsoft, Meta, everything's kind of hitting the dumps here. So anybody have any trades on? I always want to ask. Good morning there, Luna. Web Dev Guy says, I passed my first Top Step Combine yesterday. Give it up for Web Dev Guy. Look at that. First Top Step Combine passed. Good morning, Sharif. Good to see you. Great, because those guys at Top Step are almost forcing us to use the X platform. No way. That's not true at all. You can use whatever platform you want. Morning, Pyro Styles. Good morning. Good morning, Suki. Good to see you. So markets are rolling over a touch here alongside most of these tech names. Tesla's really the only one that's kind of holding up here alongside Apple. Apple's kind of holding up a touch as well. Past one yesterday, waiting on XFA count this morning. Nice work there, Julio. Way to go. Short 2 NQ from 40, taking one off an intraday VWAP and running the other one. I like that. That's a great plan there. So yeah, I would like to see this fading back down to 18 or so and then seeing if we collect any kind of liquidity up there. I mean, that could be the big extension. There were some folks that were in the Discord that caught this 40-point move here to the upside. This was a really nice move. It was basically from here around that perk through 18,000 up to there. So I don't know if anybody, I have to ask, did anybody catch a long from overnight? If I would have put on a long when we were finished with Coach Dakota's session, boy, that would have been quite the doozy there. 930 all the way up to 110 points essentially that you could have caught there off the lows. I'm curious if anybody did catch that there. We are coming down hard and fast here. Do the MC levels work like support and resistance? Or are we looking for something different? Very much so. They're just high trafficked areas. They're very heavy areas of interest. So what we'd be looking for on the way down here would be a test of this level and a potential retest and then bouncing and going. And conversely, if we were looking to this to the downside, we're looking for a break and then a retest and then bring it to the downside. So these are high trafficked areas. We're looking for some kerfuffling around these areas, I guess you could say. Caught the London open short. It was around 30 handles. Nice work there, SW. Popped just above VWAP after breaking. I got stopped out by one tick overnight. Oh no! I'm guessing this is where you got stopped out, somewhere in this range right here. That could be it, right? That could be the one. Got a nice long from 78. Holy smokes! So you're somewhere in here, right? Holy smokes! Well, I guess 78 is a little bit higher, but yeah, same idea. Rose, what are your volume profile settings? These are the visible range volume profile, VRVP, right here and right here. You can go back and pause the video, check out those settings if you'd like. Caught it in the S&P. Let's take a gander over at the S&P here. Look at that. Off of 74 and quarters. That's a nice level that we had there that we're tracking now. Kind of just shaking around here. Markets are coming down tremendously here. I think that was kind of the topping area. I was told my group I was looking for a clean excursion above that 35 there and that push up through 41. That's where I'd like to be looking for longs. But I'm going to wait for this test down here at 18. Markets are coming down tremendously hard here off that tippy top. Bitcoin to all-time highs. Yeah, a lot of talk about Bitcoin lately. I've been seeing that quite a bit here. All right, coming down to 18. Let's see if this will set up for us to potentially take a trade. If we are bouncing at this area, I want to be looking at a potential long. If we're going to be breaking this level and retesting, I want to look at a short. It's interesting. We had tech instantly starting to roll once we hit that tippy topping area up there around that 35. So let's see how this is going to shake out here. I am going to be on Top Step TV today, by the way. Wow, that is breaking below that 18 there. That's the tippy tops. Yeah, I am going to be on Top Step TV today in about an hour and 15 minutes. So our time here together is limited, so we're going to try to make the most of it. I'm going to take a short here, actually. I'm taking a short as we are breaking below that 18 level. I do want to have my stop somewhat tight. We did snap below that level, so if we have a weak bounce, I can add into this here. So let's see whether or not this is going to be a weak bounce that we can add into. Again, I'd be targeting all the way down to 994 essentially for this one if we have this break of 18 and this failure. Tech is looking a little bit weak, but if it can hold on and bounce at this area, then this trade is going to be negated. So let's see if 18 is going to be that bounce area. We just have one lot on right now. BTC has another 15% to get to all-time high. Is that it? It's only 15%, huh? What's it trading at right now? What's spot BTC at? I am curious. So this is our level that we're tracking, 18,018. If we do break this level, it should be tremendously strong to the downside here. If not, then we will get stopped out. So watching right here at 18,018. Is it trading 57,000 right now? Holy crap. That's insane. How about my crypto traders in here? Folks are probably pretty happy. What's spot Ethereum at? Curious about that. Russell's ripping. Let's see. Oh yeah, Russell's been on a tear here. My goodness. So watching for this. We have NVIDIA rolling over here tremendously hard. I'm going to add a second lot here for this failure, and I'm going to try to get a little bit aggressive if we're, yeah, I'm going to add into that there. Nice flush here. Adding into that again. I want to try to get pretty aggressive here on this roll, given that it is kind of dumping here. I'm getting terrible fills, of course, but this thing can definitely break down this level here, especially if we retest that 18 level. It can get pretty speedy to the downside here. Watching this 18,018 here. I want to see this 14 level starting to break down too. So watching here. Anybody got the price of Ethereum? What is it? 3.2K? Wow. So that's kind of lagging a little bit. Would expect to see it much higher than that. Let's see if we can have this retest towards 18 or if we're just going to have to roll from here. Let's see. Microsoft showing a little bit of weakness. We're eating these orders up at these 14s and 15s. I would like to see this weakness persist below these levels. Add into that there. Try to get aggressive on this push down. Looks pretty thin to the downside here, to be honest with you. Trying to get a little aggressive down into this 18,000 level. So let's see here if we can have this follow through all the way down to 18,000 or so. So watching here. We have a little bounce up towards 15. I think we'll break these 10s now. Big roll from NVIDIA. Yeah, NVIDIA's coming down pretty heavily here. Want to try to get a little bit aggressive on this. So we are breaking those 10s. Perhaps we can go full size looking for 994 here. I think we do have quite a bit of room to the downside. Watching for those 15s to get defended. I'm actually going to add into that for the sweep below 10s now. So trying to get extremely aggressive as we have NVIDIA kind of cratering down here. So watching for this break of 10s now to the downside. See if we can do a limit cover right around here for 6. Watching this right here as we are flushing down. We're right at 750 and it taps 750 almost. What did that? 7.25, I guess. 7.75. So our order was at 750. There's a 30 lot there at 750. I want to see if we can actually time this appropriately here. Trying to time this right at these 10s. If these 10s want to flush for us. Watching carefully here. We were right at those 750s. I still think that these can flush right through those 750s. Still looking a little bit weak here. Might have to bring that up to 7.75 just in case we don't get this fill that we're looking for. Big chunky order coming right down to it. Knock, knock. Who's there? Can we get that fill? There we go. Nice fill there. Moving my stop back to break even now. Nice push to the downside. Do 3 on the offer, or 3 on the bid rather. Right here. Bring that in at 3.75. Nice fill. Now we're going to lock in the remainder here. So I wanted to be aggressive on that because we're failing those 18s. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful trade there. And I'm going to cover that out right there. Oops. That went out a little bit more, didn't it? Well, the reason I covered, actually, I was kind of hawkeyeing this. Just kind of hawking this this account here. The reason why I covered was because I didn't want to have this bounce right back. But there we go. That is a past combine right there. And then we'll add that one to the roster. That one goes on the bench there, folks. So there we go. $2,000 on that trade for us there. Did anybody else catch anything similar out there? Did anybody else see the market like I was seeing that there? I do not want anybody ever copying my trades, but if you see something similar to what I'm seeing, that is what we call a level to level trade here. Right here, from our level to level. That is the trade we're looking for on that one. That's the trade that we're looking to take. So that puts us up, like I said, on the day there. Why does it never show when I want to click that button? There we go. $2,072. So you could continue holding that short there, but that is a level to level short. That is as good as it's going to get. And that's why when I wanted to size up, I wanted to get a little bit aggressive there. Look at that. Look at all these W's in chat there. Wow, this is coming lower here. The tell for me was NVIDIA. And as far as that test at 18, we kind of just blew through that level and sizing into that there. Lots of profit taking from the overnighters. Yes, indeed. As well as, I mean, like I said, right when I got on stream, I was looking for longs, but tech was tremendously weak. And I called that out, pretty specifically. I said, tech is tremendously, tremendously weak there. And these are our trades. These are our executions here. You can see that we opened the trade. We got pretty aggressive here, adding into it, and then started covering on the way down there. SW asks, so we have data in 10 minutes. Yes, we do. We do have data in 10 minutes. Let's go over what we have coming out here in 10 minutes. Let's go over that liquidity split here. Let's have a gander and see. All righty. So 8:30 news, we have the preliminary durable goods orders, the preliminary capital goods orders, non-defense X air. It is including autos. So we will have that data coming out in about 10 minutes here, folks. And again, this is a level to level trade right there. Kiri says from negative 500 to plus 1050. Oh my goodness. Have you explained your levels before, or are they for private chat? It's a proprietary formula that I've developed over the years to get these levels. And by golly, do they work. They are incredible. I love it. Yeah. So, I mean, we almost hit that 41.75. Obviously, so like I told my group, I was looking for longs, and this is why I never hold a bias on any of my trades. I'm happy to go short if the market's telling me to go short. S&Ps, I was looking for an auction above 5,100. We didn't even get there. We stopped pre-50.90 there. What was the high of that candle? 89. Or I'm sorry, 90 flat. So we hit 90s and we rejected. We rejected right off of 90s. So great opportunity to the short side here. And I mean, think about it. So I opened up the stream, and I mean, you folks can see in Clubhouse here. The very first thing I said when I got to the station here, or when I was gotten to my chat, very first thing I said, what did I say exactly? I want to see. Just so you folks know, I'm telling you this so you can understand that this is how you should be looking at your own trades. I said, breakout above 41.75 is possible. Would need to see ES breaking and holding 5,100. I'm looking for breakout longs here. That is exactly what I said. That is exactly what I said to my group. I'm looking for that. The moment that the market tells me otherwise, I don't care. The problem with a lot of traders out there is that they get married to a bias, and that bias is what gets them in trouble. They get so blinded by this bias where they can't see the market in front of them, and they're sitting there in that, I was looking for longs, but I'm not going to stay looking for longs if the market's telling me short. I used to be that trader who would be very, very stubborn, always looking for a certain thing. Trader Page nailed it. Head on a swivel. I always say that. Head on a swivel. If you don't have your head on a swivel, you're going to get your face ripped off. 100%. Straight up. You're going to get your face ripped off. I don't care what the market did last time at a level. I don't care what I'm feeling in the morning. I don't care how I'm looking at it initially. If the market is sitting there and screaming at me and saying, hey, Rips, market's rolling. Tech is rolling. Let's come on in short. Let's get short. I'm going to go short, even though I blatantly stated very explicitly, I'm looking for longs. So hopefully that's a lesson out there for some of you folks that might be struggling with that it's okay to be fluid in your analysis of the market. It's okay to look at the market and then have an initial read on it that is negated and then follow that new read on the market. It's perfectly fine to do that. It's the weaker traders who are so hard up on their ego that get destroyed by this. And if you're ruled by ego, you're not going to be a good trader. That's just the facts. You have to be fluid with the market. This is an organic organism that we're trading here. If you're sitting there and you're saying, this should be a long, I need this thing long, guess what? Now you missed the short. And this happens with a lot of traders. A lot of people that I mentor, they have the same issue where they look at the market and they say, well, I looked at it long and I'm not going to get this. I'm going to wait for a bounce. I'm only going to look for it long. How many points did we get that? Over 18 points on that trade there. You have to think about this every single time a trade is setting up. By the way, give it up for Mr. Kofifi in here. Crushing it. Passing combines, passing PAs, passing. I love to see it there, Kofifi. Way to go. I like how your accounts say, Poppy. Ay, Poppy. Right here. This is your account say, Ay, Poppy. Nice work there. Give it up for Kofifi. Killing it today. Killing it this morning. I love it. But listen to what I'm telling you, because I used to be this knuckleheaded trader. I look at the market like I woke up this morning. Well, not woke up, but I'm looking at the market, and the very first analysis that I give on the market is that I'm looking for longs. The market comes in and it tells me, hey, Rips, it ain't going to be a long here. What I used to do back early on in my career was I would sit there and the market would be rolling and rolling and rolling. And all I'm doing is sitting there and saying, well, I guess I'll wait for the long then. Why don't you just change your bias and see if there's an opportunity to short? My opportunity to short, of course, was level to level. We're looking for 18,000 to break, and we're looking for it to go down. 18,018 to break, and we're looking for it for 94. If you go back, you watch the stream, I said, we're looking for 94 and quarters at the target there. That's what you're looking for, right? That's what you're looking for. So make sure the next time that the trade is setting up for you, that you're opening up your mind, right? One good exercise that I like to talk about that you can do is every single time that you look at a trade and you're very confident in your bias, flip it on its head and say, what does the other side of this coin look like? For instance, I'm short there at 18,018, right? This is after my trade plan was negated, my original trade plan. And I didn't take it, right? My trade plan was pretty obvious. I said, I'm looking for a bounce at 18. Whoops, where did that go there? I don't know why my paintbrush disappeared. Okay, so I said pretty clearly, right? I'm looking for a bounce here at this level. Once we didn't get that bounce. So what am I doing? What am I doing internally? Well, I mean, I literally drew this on the chart. I'm looking for this to bounce and then for it to go, right? And then other side of the coin, looking for this to tuck under and then bounce and then go, right? That's what you want to be doing in your trades, is that look at it from both sides so you're not caught off guard when it starts to make a move. And this is not just, you're picking a middle of the chart, a middle between two MC levels here. You're not just picking something out in here and saying, well, if it starts to go up, I'm going to go long. If it starts to go down, I'm going to go down. No, you need to have levels that make sense. You have to have levels of confluence. This is a big level that we were tracking, 18,018. Somebody even said in the YouTube chat, it was like yesterday's high of range or an extension or something of that nature. You're using these things to your advantage because the market is trying to give you this information. The market is your best friend in these trades. What does that mean? It means the market's trying to give you this information to trade off of. It's trying to tell you, hey, we're going this way. Now, sometimes we end up in chop, right? Sometimes we end up in chop and it's not as clear as day. But when the market does give you that information, we listen to it, we react on it. Because the market's going to move whichever way it's going to move, right? Simple as that. What time frame is your chart? This is a 15-minute chart right here. So I have a 15-minute here. I have a 5-minute that I trade off of in NinjaTrader. And I got a 30-second chart over here. And then I got Bookmap right above here. And Bookmap, I can wheel in and wheel out and hokey pokey all around there. The market is telling a story. Sit there quietly and listen. I like that. All right, folks. News is coming out in 2.5 minutes now. Remember, this is the durable goods orders and capital goods orders. So let's see if this moves the old market around. I do have to switch accounts, actually, since we are hitting a profit target in that one. Let's go on to the next one. Get some more bench warmers going here. What is this one? Bum, bum, bum. Go there. Okay, got that account. And this one is going to be, I need to get some glasses, don't I? All right. Okay. So there we go. We're all set, suited and booted. How did you transition out of that bias behavior? One of the key things that I did was setting up both scenarios before I'd take a trade. What does it look like when it does this? What does it look like when it does this? Show me confirmation. Continuation was what I used to trade. I still trade it, of course, but continuation is harder to trade than confirmation. You need to have years and years of experience to trade continuation. Be patient and look for confirmation. What does confirmation look like? Well, if we're on the 1 minute, confirmation is on the way up here, a break above and a retest. And now that's confirmation. Continuation is the moment it breaks, you're taking it long and then you're getting scared, right? It works out, but you're going to have certain times that it flushes underneath and then you get your face ripped off. Here's the flush below, the retest, and then we go. Confirmation, easier to play than continuation, but tell yourself both sides of the story here. That's what we're looking to do. Both sides of the story matter. I'm a little disappointed lately with Top Step support. I want a reset code on Friday. They still haven't sent it to me. Support still hasn't responded. Not sure what to do. Patience. It should be exercise your patience. Trading is a lot about patience, so maybe they're testing to see how much patience you have. I'm kidding, but give it time. Give it time. It's only Tuesday. They'll probably get back to you today. If you message them on Friday, you want a reset code on Friday, I mean, it's only Tuesday. We're working on about 24 hours to get to that support ticket. If you run out of time before next billing and you do get billed, they'll probably refund you for it, especially if you want it on Friday. Alrighty, folks, here we go. Holy smokes, there's a pump. Down 6.1% for durable goods orders. So, I mean, that is good for inflation. Less people are buying things. Good for inflation. less demand. That's what we want to see. That's what the Fed wants to see. So we are jumping and grooving here. Anybody catch that long? I did not take it. This is what this looks like on the 30-second chart over here. Woo! What a candle. What a candle. What a crazy candle. And coming back down. Got a reset code yesterday from the Top Step Daily Quiz. That was fun. Nice work there, Leo. Congrats. Good for you. So that is the only piece of news coming out until 8:55. At 8:55, we do have the Redbook retail sales. And if you folks have been tuning into this stream quite a bit, you already know. Nobody cares about Redbook retails. Nobody gives a flip about those. Market goes, we don't care about the Redbook retail sales. But we do have the housing price index out at 9. And that's going to be the last newsprint that we have together. Look at that. We're coming back down here. Violent rejection off of there about 18,010. What is rolling over here? What is rolling? I mean, S&Ps are rolling, NVIDIA, a little tiny roll, but by golly, this thing is violent this morning. Somebody needs to check on NQ. NQ is a wildcat this morning. Don't listen to him, Redbook. I care about you. Oh, goodness. Ribs, how much weight do you give to fundamentals in your analysis? If any, then what time frames do you implement fundamentals with? Higher time frames, usually. But we're not in a news cycle. We're not in a cycle that is supporting fundamentals all that much. Look at NVIDIA's fundamentals. They're fun and they're mental and they're kind of duh. But yeah, I would say that fundamentals aren't really playing into the picture right now. We're very much in the Fed cycle, and we're in a little bit of a mania cycle right now. A bit of a mania cycle. So 60% of the time, it works all the time. Hey, nice work there. Grateful Trader up $1,000. You love to see it, folks. I love to see when everybody's winning. Puts a smile on my face. Love to see that. So this is shaking all around here. This is a very difficult area of price action to trade, since we're hitting that 994 level and we're bouncing, but we're also rejecting up there at 18,010s. So it's kind of wild there. You could argue that NVIDIA crushes earnings every time they release. PE gets cut in half every time. Hey, good morning, Rooster. Good to see you. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Think speakers this week will see any movement? Yes, good question there, Hoop. That's a nice lead into what we have. We have Vice Chair Barr, who's going to be speaking at 9:05. So right when we're coming off the stream. I got to get ready for Top Step. By the way, folks, make sure you're slamming that lucky like button. I really do appreciate all the support here. We're trying to get to over 10,000 subs, and we're very, very close. If we get to 500 likes, we will run a poll. We get to 900 likes, we'll do a giveaway today for a free month of Clubhouse. Tomorrow, we're giving away 2 free combines, 2 Top Step combines, and a free year of Clubhouse. A free year of Clubhouse. Yeah, Janet Yellen speaking today, too. Is there a bill auction today? You bet your bottom dollar there is. There's a 7-year note auction. That's the big one at 1 p.m. today, Hoop. Hoop asking all the good questions today, by the way. But yeah, 7-year note auction at 1 p.m. today. We have a 4 and 8 week bill announcement, but who cares, right? 7-year note auction. Consultant says, ugh, Yellen. She's in Brazil right now drinking a Coco Loco. And enjoying herself there. She's probably having some magic mushrooms. Yeah, 1 year of Clubhouse, pretty awesome. I agree with you. 1 year of Clubhouse will go to a lucky person. I hope it's an OG. I always have a soft spot for the OGs. I hope it's somebody that's in Clubhouse already, that's been around for a while. We want an NQ shirt ad. Well, Rips, when we... I'm trying to get those shirts. I'm working on it. I want prices low, quality high. And that's going to take me a little bit of extra time here. A little bit of extra time. Does it move more when auctions sell? What do you mean? I'm not sure what you mean there. When will you start trading the new contract? Probably next week. We'll probably roll around Wednesday of next week, given that, what is that going to be? March 6th? And the contract expires on the 15th? Wait, is that right? Yeah, wow. Oh my. Yeah, probably next week. Maybe the 5th, maybe the 6th is probably when we'll be rolling. Speaking of yelling on mushrooms, did you ever go back and watch that? Yeah, the Top Step clip. It was hilarious. It was amazing. I love AI for that reason. How's your VWAP set up? Very carefully. Here it is. You can go back and pause the video. Bingo, bango. There you go. I need a t-shirt that says ES because I'm slow. Maybe we'll get a sloth printed on the shirt there. Could be cool. Got a buddy that does merch for NQ shirts. If you want contact info, go ahead and reach out to my Twitter or my Instagram, which, by the way, if you're not following me there, I don't know what you're doing. It's some of the best content you'll ever find, ever, literally ever. Twitter and Instagram right there, at Selling Rips. You follow me right there. It's a party, I'm telling you what. By the way, 44 more likes and we get to do the poll here. 44 more likes and we get to do this awesome, awesome poll, folks. Slothfather, I see you. Yeah. I didn't know which one is the most liquid contract on TradingView. It tells you. You check the open interest. Go to the CME's website and look at the open interest. Once the open interest is more in the June contract, that's when I start trading it. It's going to get to a day where it's like about equal, and then that's usually the next day when I roll. By the way, anybody catch that long, that beautiful long off of that 17,994 quarters? This thing is pumping and jumping. Pumping and jumping. How close to 10,000 subs? I don't know. Let's see. We're 2 away right now, by the way. 2 away. We are 2 away from 10,000 subs. Looks like Shaw got a little piece of it. Steven got a piece, 6 points. Dan got a taster. Nice. Wow, John Newsom, 1275. Way to go, folks. Very, very nice. Are we tracking how often the poll is correct? Maybe we're missing a holy grail indicator. Well, we've had some mixed sessions lately, so every time we run the poll, it's been kind of mixed, but we're going to start tracking that, by golly. There we go, 515 likes. Love it, folks. Let's do this. Let's do the poll. Right now, the NQ is up 0.2%, so 20 basis points. So let's see here. Will the NQ end the day up or down? Up, down, and then we do unchanged. Let's just do absolutely no idea. All right, vote away, folks. Here we go. Again, if we get to 900 likes, we give away a free month of Clubhouse tomorrow. 2 free combines and a year of Clubhouse. It's going to be awesome. Giveaway extravaganza on a Wednesday. Oh my goodness, we did it, folks. Yeah, we did it. 10,007 subs. We did it. Wow, that is amazing. Thank you so much, everybody. That is so cool. That is awesome. That's so cool. So we've only been streaming in this channel for, 5 months. 5 months we've been streaming in here. And when you just hit 10,000 subs, that is tremendous. Thank you so much, everybody, for the support. I really do appreciate it. That is so cool. I'm so happy about that. Thank you all so much. Really, really do appreciate it. That is so cool. Thank you. And we will continue to grow this channel as much as possible and do the best we can to continue to provide as much juicy, delicious alpha that we can possibly put on that buffet table, the old Warren buffet table. Thank you, everybody. You folks are so kind. I love it. I love it. And I feel like we're setting a new benchmark for the industry out there. We're starting to see more and more people understanding what real transparency looks like. And I think that's so important in this industry. And we need to see more of it. And I think that we will be seeing more of it this year and the following years. I think we're going to see more and more people starting to be transparent. And the cream will rise to the top. The cream will rise to the top, as it normally does. Christian says, I remember when we had 20. Congrats. Thank you so much there, Christian. Really appreciate that. Honestly thought you were on longer. Heard you first on Top Step TV. Yeah, I only started streaming in September, believe it or not. Crazy. The channel is actually, we hit our 1 year birthday on the channel, but I was never live streaming on the channel until September. So, by the way, we are pushing up here. We are pushing up 100K subscribers by end of year. Wouldn't that be cool? One of the things that I am going to be doing, I've been getting so many DMs about this, and I'm not really, I'm kind of on the fence about it, but people have been asking for doing more lifestyle type of vlogs, day in the life type of stuff, behind the scenes, more vloggy stuff. People were asking for that, and, more and more people, like, I don't know, but okay, I guess, but yeah, maybe we'll see. Yeah, no OnlyFans. Only bids, though. We'll do some only bids. Please not. See, film while you sleep. Oh, goodness gracious. Oh, man, look at this. We are pushing back up to 18,018 level. It's getting speedy here, folks. Very, very speedy here. Keep your personal life personal. I like that. That's how I feel about it. I like keeping my personal life personal. Saw you on Top Step with Dakota last night. Yeah, the audio was a disaster. Oh, that was bad. Audio was a disaster. I got bamboozled. Oh man, never again. I gotta make sure that the next time that we get that all set up, that we don't have robo rips in the building. Sounded like I was in stereo. No, it sounded like I had a flanger on my voice. If you folks are any audio engineers in the crowd out there, sounded like somebody threw a flanger on my voice, but I think it was indicative that the fact that we had multiple audio streams going on over one another. So I don't know how that happened. Want to see all the Porsches? There you go. They want to see the 4 a.m.'s coffee B-roll and the Ferraris. There you go. IA was not working yesterday. What's IA? I'm not sure what. Oh, AI. Am I an audio engineer? I like making music. I love making music. But not a professional audio engineer by any means. Going in and out. Good to be flanged out. It was a setup. Dakota didn't want you sounding better in his stream. Oh, man. I think it was broadcasting. I have multiple things that can pick up an audio source, and I don't know why there was another audio source that was transmitting. So it was a duality of that. Rips was live from the board. I was exhausted last night. I was exhausted. Is any of your music posted? Yeah, I mean, there is some of it like way back. I mean, I released music back in I want to say 2003. It was on iTunes back in the day, back when you had to pay like $2 a song or whatever the heck it was, 99 cents a track. Way back in the day. We're talking way, way back in the day. We're not going to get into that. Ribs, you like music? Do you make some mixtapes? I'll make you a mixtape. I'll get you a special one there. Ribs and the Rippers. You knew my band name. Oh my goodness. Did the sleepy time tea help? I slept like a baby, but I didn't have a position on long. I would have slept a lot better if I had a position on long, because look at this auction here. Holy smokes. This is when I went to bed, right? We had this dump. When did I go to bed? No, it was earlier. I mean, we're talking something right around here, right? That's when I went to bed. But yeah, there you have it. Just got my 10 points on the golden bounce again. This seems to be paying out very, very well. Nice work there, Loxy. Did you watch Thundercats? How about He-Man? He-Man, Master of the Universe. How about that one? How about those action figures? Or even older than that. How about older than that? G.I. Joe, yeah. G.I. Joe, classic. Bookmap question. Do you use CME with Rhythmic for NQ? I do. Rhythmic is my jam on Bookmap. That's what I like to use there. I have the power. Oh, goodness. What about the A-Team? Come on. What about MASH? I guess MASH is kind of old. Thundercats. Wow. Voltron. Original Transformers. All the good stuff. They don't make them like that anymore, do they? They really don't. All right. So do we have, what is it, about 11 minutes out from the next newsprint here? Redbook retail sales. This is coming back down to the VWAP that resets at 8:30 here at 18,007. This is the one I'm talking about here. It's this purple line. That is the VWAP. You can see it lights up right there. So that's the VWAP. We'll see if it can kind of hold there. We did reject perfectly off that 18,018, but we're in a tighter range. Kind of chilling right now. Not so sure if we're going to take another trade, but if we do have something that sets up here. Market is having a lot of trouble holding up here. And that is, NVIDIA is rolling and causing a lot of that pressure alongside Microsoft. There's that roll. So if you caught that rejection off of 18,018, you're looking pretty good. Did have kind of a double top rejection at that point, but wasn't enough confirmation to take that short there. If you have 3 XFAs, can you pass a combine and leave it on standby for future use? That's exactly what I do, Day Traders Alliance. So what I do is I pass it, I pay for it, and it sits on the bench for life. And then if I ever blow an XFA, I say, hey, come on in. The water's warm. We're going to go get you pumping and jumping. So yes, you can pass as many combines as you want. You have 30 days to pay for them, but I just pay for them right out the gates. You pay that one lifetime fee, and then anytime you blow an XFA, you go, come here. How many do I have? Like last time I checked. Boy. I sent the screenshot to Dakota. It's like something like 18 past combines or something like that. I got to check. Yeah, when TV was good. Yeah. No, we don't really have that. Rips, what are the figurines in your shelf? We'll go over that sometime. There's some collectibles. Super plastic. What else is back there? I have a Russ back there, which is cool. Just some cool things to add some flavor and some vibes in my office here. 18 past combines. What did you? Well, we trade a lot in here. I like trading combines. I like it, pressure's off when I'm trading combines, and it's easy for me to, sometimes we scale into them, we get a little bit wild, and it's no pressure, very low pressure. Just think how many you would have if you didn't let them expire. I know, right? Now I know because Dakota showed me the way. Dakota showed me the secrets. So now I don't, I had a lot that expired at one point. It was kind of silly, but whatever. Make room for the YouTube certificate, the play button. Wouldn't that be cool? What's the play button? 100,000 subs? We got to get there, folks. Tell your friends. We need to get more futures traders coming on over here. Do you mind saying how many XFAs that you have failed, just so I have an idea for a bar to judge by? I'd have to go check, but I would say realistically, like maybe 20 to 30, somewhere in that range. I would have to think. I've been trading since July. 20 to 30, maybe. I don't know. I'll check. Maybe 20, maybe 30, somewhere in that range. Failed XFAs. I feel like, probably been on the ride 10 times or less. Maybe it's not even 30. I'll check. I'll check for you. Blow 19 XFAs. We're just getting started. I'm kidding. If you're having trouble blowing XFAs, you got to pump the brakes. You got to take it easy. You got to trade. The whole thing is that you should be trading combines exactly how you trade on your XFAs. And you don't even have to trade every day, which is the beautiful thing about Top Step. Poor Top Sandwiches, that G.I. Joe right there. Blown 3 now. Okay. Passing them has become easier with more experience. Yeah, and that's the thing. You'll get more confidence passing combines, but you just have to carry that confidence. The problem is that, you can have really difficult markets, and then you have a string of a really difficult market, and then, you're trading that on your XFA and you blow your XFAs. It happens, but last thing you want to do is just sit there and start wallowing in that self-inflicted, I don't know. You end up in a vicious cycle of feeling down on yourself. Oh no, I blew some XFAs. I did this, I did that. Oh, whatever. Life goes on. Stop being so hard on yourself. Move on. Learn what you can. Journal. Move on. Get better. Keep going. Stop being so hard on yourself. Time is the next news event, 9. We have one coming out in 6 minutes here. That's the Redbook retail sales that nobody cares about. Rips, I trade 5 micros on the combine, and then they cut my buying power in half when I get the XFA. Well, the good news, Michael, or Mikal, is that on Top Step X, number one, no commissions, great thing there, but they're going to have the 10-to-1 micros to minis conversion coming within the next 90 days. Well, I guess we can say 88 days now because it's been 2 days since we've been yapping about it. Maybe even 87 days. But it's coming. It's coming. So you'll be able to trade 20 micros out of the gate there. It's coming, I promise. It's top of mind. They're working on it for Top Step X. So that's going to be coming. It'll be very exciting. At least it's 49 and not the 15,000 that got blown. Yes. Yeah. Think about it. I was talking about this in my group yesterday. When you are trading combines and you pass into an XFA, by the way, I really want to give away I want to give away a free month of Clubhouse. Can we just, I mean, come on. Smash the like button. It's literally right down there. All you have to do, you move your mouse like right down there. Just click that button. It's all you got to do. It's free to like the video, folks. We're 210 away and we have 1,600 people in here watching. You 210 people who haven't liked the video yet, do us all a favor because I really want to give away a free month of Clubhouse here. Just go down and just click that button there. So we almost got it. We are, 163 away now. We're making progress here, folks. Can't like it twice. If you like it twice, it takes away a like. But I really want to give away a month of Clubhouse. We do have time limited here because I do have to go over to Top Step TV for their live stream. And by the way, market is pumping here. Holy smokes. Wowzers. Wow. And remember, so we have the housing price index that's going to be out at 9. If housing prices are going down, which should be the trend, that could be good for Fed. How's crypto doing, by the way? Are we still pumping over there in Bitcoin land? Keyword market pump. Yeah, I really want to give away this. We're now, look at this. You folks are rock stars. Amazing. We are only 74 likes away now. 74 likes, just we get there and we're done. So fast, lickety split. Crypto's pumping. Love to see it. We have a lot of crypto traders here in Clubhouse. I love to see that there. Where'd you learn Bookmap and reading the dome? Time. Lots of time. 10,000 hours at least in Bookmap. Staring at it. Literally staring at it. Staring at it, watching replays. Staring, watching replays. Knowing what happens with the gift of hindsight and then going back, watching those replays and saying, that's what that looks like. Implicit memory, soaking it in like a sponge. Wow. I'm jealous of anybody who got long here. What a move. What a move. Costa, there he is. Hit 1,500 max profit on that pump. Way to go. Long 51K yesterday. Insane games. Nice work there, 10 trading. BTC's 57K. Are you kidding me? Oh my goodness. By the way, you can trade Bitcoin, mini Bitcoin in Top Step. They have mini Bitcoin futures. I should have traded those. What am I thinking? Need Shiba to get to 10% so I can be a millionaire? Oh my goodness. Or all you have to do is sell market Clubhouse shorts. Then you'll be a trillionaire, according to people. Just sell 100 market Clubhouse shirts and you'll be so wealthy. Got a 10 point out of that. No way. Nice work there, Shadow Hunter. Yeah, MC shirts in my mixtape. Just pass one more combine with this long. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Chart time is like batting practice. And the more that you record it and the more that you watch that game film, the better that you get. I promise you. That's how it all works here, folks. Put in the time. 28 likes, folks. 28. We got over 1,600 people in here watching. 28 more likes. I want to give it away so bad. Come on. 2 minutes till the data here. 2 minutes. I guess it depends on how you define wealthy. Yeah. There you go. Exactly right. Sweat-proof t-shirt. Boy, I'm soaked right now. It's like I just took a shower. I'm bathing in sweat over here. I made my first options trade buying calls on Hood, selling them for 2 to 3x today. Nice work there, Luna. Good morning, DK. Good to see you. Always good to see you, DK. One of our OGs in here. How many combines would you look to pass, Rips? I mean, if I can pass 100 in a day, I'll go for it. I don't have 100 combines right now, but yeah, I'd pass as many as I can. I always want to pass combines. I love passing combines. Feels good. Gets the juices flowing. I did trade on my Top Step Live account yesterday. We gave that trade out here in Discord. Took a short, nailed it for $1,400. Bing, bang, done. It's great. It's awesome. It's on 4 contracts too. 4 contracts. Dr. Dax says, I'm having this conundrum. I have had a long trade plan for this rally for 3 entries, but couldn't execute. FOMO is killing me. Press the dang button and put a stop in place. Just do it. And do it on your practice account if you're having FOMO. You don't want to be trading FOMO. You don't want to get rewarded for bad habits. Oh my goodness, you did it, folks. We got there. The crowd's going wild. We did 915 likes. All right, so after this news print, we're going to give away a free month of Clubhouse. I love you, folks. Look at you. Did you take any payout from XFA? Yeah, of course. Of course. What do you think this is? We do this for charity. We're not in a sideways market. It's looking like up only on the daily now. Cool, Beans. Hey, good to see you, Beans. The 9 a.m. liquidity may bring a low-risk short-term opportunity for shorts, although the market can still rip higher at the open. Looking for 89. Gotcha. Yep, we're going to give away a free month of Clubhouse here. Just waiting for this. $2.7%. Woo! Look at the market going crazy on this Redbook retail sales number, right? All right, let's do this giveaway. I've had enough of these Redbook retail sales numbers. Get out of here. All right, we'll do a keyword. By the way, let's end the poll here. Let's see. Ending the poll here. Ooh, I like that flying war banana. Very good idea. Very simple keyword here. So what was the results of the poll? Where did it go? Why didn't it print the results? What the heck? The poll's gone, but it didn't tell me the results. Can you believe that? YouTube, you scammer. It didn't tell me the results of the poll. Come on. Why? Why did you do that? That's so annoying. Let's see. I don't get it. End poll. Go. Seriously? All right, whatever. We don't get to see the results of the poll. Oh, there it is. There it goes. Okay, all right, there we go. 45% said up. Wow.
Another one.
Wow, we're going to go up for another full day there, DJ Khaled. Absolutely no idea, 29%. And down 24%. Thank you for all the help there, folks. I think I had my YouTube chat was freezing. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. All right, so we're going to do a keyword. Channel members get 3 times the luck. And we'll bring this on over, move it on over. We're going to do a keyword here. Keyword is going to be 10,000. All right, here we go, folks. There's the keyword 10,000. 10,000. Type it in like that. 10K is too easy. We want to do 10,000. Type in that keyword right here, right now. I feel like everything's frozen on my end here. 10,000 is the keyword. 10,000. 10,000. There we go. 10,000. That's the keyword there, folks. 10,000. Type it into the YouTube chat. There we go. Now we got everybody coming through. I don't know why my stuff is just so laggy over here. But there we have it. 10,000 is the keyword. Tomorrow we're giving away a free year of Clubhouse. Today it's a free month of Clubhouse. If you are already in the Clubhouse right now, just go on over to the YouTube chat and type in 10,000. That's all you got to do, folks. Type in 10,000 for a free month of Clubhouse. And we do have news coming out in 2.5 minutes here. This is going to be the housing price index. Market is surging right now, by the way. Surging, I say. It's going nuts. Wow. We are above 30s now. Looking for this 35 poll to the top side. My goodness gracious. So we'll end the poll here in about 1 minute here. 1 minute. By the way, to win, Twitter and Instagram right there. Well, it's going to pop up again. But to win the free month of Clubhouse is very simple, folks. You have to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram. And then when you win, you say my Twitter username is this, or my Instagram username is this. Then I message you, and we're all happy. Everybody goes home happy. You only have 60 seconds to claim here. Only have 60 seconds to claim. We'll probably do it after this newsprint comes out because I just want to see, just in case. But you just type in 10,000 one single time. Just one single time. You need a stronger computer, can't handle all yeah. It's having trouble keeping up. Celsius watermelon is so much better than mixed berry. Yeah, mixed berry is just, that's a trash flavor. I'm on, what am I on today? I'm on this one. This is a brand new flavor for me. I've never seen it before, but it's amazing. Peach raspberry. Tastes like a delicious fresh nectarine. If you like nectarines, this is your flavor. Peach raspberry. Incredible. And I am jacked on it. I typed it like 100 times. I'm still going to lose. Yeah, I think that's probably why. I think the system knows when you type it in more than once, and it probably favors just the person who types it in one single time. I think that's how it works. Do I have Bitcoin? Not anymore. I did. Ethereum, Bitcoin, all the good stuff. I had a lot of Litecoin too at one point, believe it or not. Caught a nice pump on that one. Is that a caffeine drink? Yeah, not that much. It's only 200 milligrams. Only. That's it. Just per can, by the way. Oh, goodness. Rips, I reached out to Celsius for you. You got to keep up those promos on the daily they're watching. Wow, cool. Thank you. That'd be cool if they are. That'd be awesome. Thank you, G-Trader. Appreciate you. All right, data's coming out here in 25 seconds. Keep just type that keyword one time. We're going to see if we can get a trade here off of this. We're watching here. Let's see. Housing price index. We're looking for a lower number. 10 seconds, folks. Good luck. Expectation is 0.3% month over month. Let's see. It's a miss, 0.2%, 0.2%. Quarter over quarter. Overall, 5.5% year over year. So that came up. What? So year over year, it came up. That's not good. Month over month came down, year over year went. I hate mixed prints. Those aren't fun. Ugh. That's no good. So year over year came in at 5.53. Month over month came in 0.2. Yeah, or 0.3. Oh, the prior was revised higher, 0.4. Interesting. Well, if we don't flush below this 25, I don't know if I want to take this, to be honest with you. All right, let's get back to the giveaway. I'm not going to take a trade on this, even though I think it could pump higher. I don't mind. Okay, back to the giveaway here, folks. We'll give you another 10 seconds. We got 520 folks in the giveaway. I love this. I love it, love it, love it. Okay, here we go. We will roll in 5 seconds here. In 5, 4, 3, 2. And by the way, again, folks, when you win the giveaway, you just say, my Twitter username is this. My Instagram username is this. Remember, you have to be following me. It's @sellingrips, @sellingrips, or selling grips, whichever way you want to look at it. @sellingrips. Just follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2. Good luck, everybody. Good luck. I forgot to say good luck to all of you. Good luck to all of you. I hope that somebody who wins is really, really going to be happy about this. All right, rolling in 5, 4, 3, 2, and sorry, I forgot to mention, if you are not following me on both social medias, then you have to do that right now. Don't miss your chance, okay? And we're going to be rolling in 5, 4, 3, 2, and by the way, I am going to be on Top Step TV today. You do not want to miss that. It's going to be at 9:25 today. It's going to be at 9:25. All right, I'm giving everybody the blues here. Okay, all right, here we go. Rolling in 5, 4, 3, 2. All right, Kevin O, you are the winner. Kevin O, you are the winner here. You are the winner. Just go ahead and say my username is this. My Twitter username is this. My Instagram. We're already shouting for re-rolls. We're already shouting for re-rolls here. We need a second try. Oh, I love you folks. You folks are too fun. All right, 20 seconds here. 40 seconds. 40 seconds for you to claim. 40 seconds for you to claim. Too late. Reroll immediately. Okay, wait. So Kevin, I see a yay in chat. Now just write my username. My Twitter username is this. My Instagram username is this. Very, very simple. I'm putting 30 seconds on the clock here. You got to get it in. You got to get it in here. Got to get it in here, Kevin. Kevin O. Yeah, Data says, I won a few weeks ago. I was so shocked. I was shaking. Almost didn't get my info to you in time. We put that clock up. Okay, so X is, here we go. Let's see. There we go. Gotcha right here. And let's make sure that you're following me. Nice job there following the instructions. Lickety split there. Yes, you do follow me. Give it up for Kevin. Kevin is the big winner here. Here we go. Winner free month. All right, folks. There we have it. Amazing, amazing stuff there. By the way, so again, I'm going to be on Top Step TV here in just a moment, and I hope you join me over there. We are going to finish up our morning session here, up $2,072, which is fantastic way to start our morning here in a combine, okay? Before everybody goes, I wasn't transparent, blah, 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 blah. It's in a combine, folks. It's in a combine. No XFAs, no live trading, just in a combine here. And that's my story. I'm sticking to it. But get this, tomorrow, since we hit 10,000 subs here on the YouTube channel, we will be giving away a free year of Clubhouse, and we're going to be giving away 2 free Top Step combines. Those are combines you can use on any platform you want. It doesn't have to be Top Step X. It could be any combine, any Quant Tower, Trade-Evate, TradingView, all that good stuff. You can do it on Ninja Trader like me. But yeah, make sure you come here tomorrow at 8 a.m. sharp. That's when we're going to be giving the giveaway. And pay attention, I'm going to post some details on my Twitter about it. But I appreciate you folks so much. Thank you so much for getting this channel to 10,000 subs. Couldn't do without you, of course. Really, really do appreciate your time. All right, folks in Discord, don't go anywhere. But folks here on YouTube, please catch me over on Top Step TV. I'm going to drop the link for you right here and now. Here it is, Top Step TV. Here we have it. Bang, bang, bang. Catch me over there, folks. Top Step TV. That's where I'm going to be in about 15 minutes. I'll see you folks over there. Good luck and have a fantastic trading day out there. I'll see you folks here bright and early at 8 a.m. tomorrow, and I'll see you folks in just a minute on Top Step TV.